getting a contract is only 40% of the effort. 40%. The other 60% comes from the networking, having good relationships with a project manager or the other participants on other teams, generating reports and submitting reports on time, submitting your invoices on time, and submitting your invoicing, make sure they're accurate and correct.
Right. Exactly.
So, those are things that you've got to do, and make sure that you do them accurately, do them efficiently, on time. And those parts make up the other 60% of getting a contract. You'll hear in workshops out there, they'll say, getting a contract is the easy part. Maintaining the contract
is the difficult part. And sometimes even the person that's contracted you to do something, sometimes they slip. And so sometimes you got to go, excuse me, don't I have a workshop with you? Did you send me the information? You got to stay. Or how was the marketing this week? Did we get enough people? Do you want to send a flyer to me so I can help you bring? Because now they see that you're proactively involved in the process. You're not just sitting there